really feel
que somos uno, que estamos conectados
that we are one and that
con
we are
todos,
connected
pero especialmente con tu pareja.
with everything, but especially with our partner,
Cuando tu pareja te dice algo, te confronta, aunque sea una verdad, aunque sea algo muy difícil de escuchar,
when your partner tells you something that is confronting, even if it is something that is very difficult for you to hear,
difícil para tu ego,
difficult for your ego,
es Dios hablando, es el Creador hablando a través de tu pareja.
still that is God, the Creator, talking through your partner.
Hay un maestro ahí, hay algo que aprender.
There's a master there, something to be learned.
Y si tienes la humildad para observar a dónde te lleva esa confrontación, tú puedes crecer y ambos pueden crecer.
And you have the enough of humility to learn and grow from that confrontation. Both can actually grow from that confrontation.
Ambos están caminando juntos hacia un destino.
Both of you are walking together toward a common destiny.
Así que ambos necesitan confrontarse, inspirarse, ir creciendo, conversando, y eso implica a veces enfrentar conversaciones difíciles, momentos difíciles y una confrontación necesaria.
So both need this confrontation and facing these difficult moments in order to advance toward that destiny.
Y por amor.
And out of love.
No seas condescendiente con tu pareja. Es un comentario general, no solo para Nanda.
So trust that your partner can deal with whatever you have to say, whatever you have to put out there and confront.
Y confía que tú puedes enfrentar y aprender y ir con la confrontación que tu pareja te está haciendo también.
And also trust that you can deal with the confrontation that your partner is putting toward you.
Porque tu relación está sostenida en el amor.
Because the relationship is held, is sustained in love, in commitment.
Y hay un sentido más allá.
And there's a meaning that is beyond.
Que confía en eso cuando el ego ahí se involucre mucho.
So trusting that when the ego becomes too much of an issue, look deep, breathe deep.
Así que sí, gracias por compartir.